But not all the mutations always continue on in evolution. It's like if, for example, we have there, a plant mutates itself to look like a cactus and it lives in Antarctica, it's not going to survive. And if it doesn't survive, then it won't reproduce and the mutation won't continue. And so that's why they don't always survive.
Is that clear? That's important. Cactus live where? They're adapted to what?
To dry places.
So their structure is, which is the function, the principal function?
Store water, starch.
In Antarctica, you know where Antarctica is?
Yeah.
What do the plants have to be adapted to?
Cold.
Okay, not to store water.
Store water. I miss
Can
rain.
mutations be accidents?
Excuse me, what?
Can mutations be
No,
accidents?
Sorry.
Okay, next time.
What do we ask?
We asked.
They're asking, can mutations be accidents?
Yeah, I know.
Miss, what do you think? What do you think?
Maybe.
I'm not doing anything, I'm not saying anything. You have to think. Can they? Alejandro, what do you think?
Yo también creo que sí.
Caro, what do you think?
Yes. Miss the answer is yes.
Well, most of the mutations, yes, they can be accidents. For example, they are like errors caused during the reproduction, the DNA, the genes basically, and an example of an accident is the passing from the gymnosperms to the angiosperms. That from daylight to seeds, they appear plants that reproduce by the flowers, and that can be an error or an accident of mutation.
And this shows that not all mutations are bad. That these mutations work.
All of them are good.
No, not all of them, but like, for example, this mutation was good because it helped evolution and helped the reproduction of the flowers to make it a lot more easier.
Oh.
Now there are kinds of natural mutations, and these are the ones we found in hostas.
What's hostas?
Can you put the next slide for a minute? These are hostas.
That's why I was placing it and you said go back.
Okay. Look again.
All the three are hostas?
And
Do you see that there's three different kinds of plants there?
Yeah.
This one, and this one.
So all of three.
Those are hostas.
so mutations.
Look at them, please. Have them in your mind and then listen to what they're going to say.
So nuclear mutations are the one that needs to be inherited by both parents. Like both parents need to have them so that its offspring could have it too.
Like the both parents have to have like that gene, like that recessive gene that causes the mutation. And then there are cytoplasmic mutations, and these mutations occur with the DNA that is in the mitochondria and the chloroplast. And these the DNA is transmitted by the C parent or like the mother. So it's transmitted via mother. For example, some hostas change, like they mutate from green, that's the color of the flower, of the leaf, to yellow. And this can be caused directly by nuclear mutation if both parents have that gene, or by cytoplasmic mutation if the mother has that gene.
Pay attention when an egg and a sperm, talking in animals, when an egg and a sperm join, the only material that passes to the egg is the nuclear material, okay?
And
That
the
is
rest?
why it is inherited, it dies. It doesn't serve for anything. I mean, the sperm has Which organelle does the sperm have to have in a very great quantity?
No.
No.
Tiene.
Organelle.
No.
What does the sperm have to do in order to get to the egg? Swim a lot.
Yes.
In order to swim, in order to swim, you need a lot of what?
Oxygen. Energy.
Energy. Which organelle produces a lot of energy?
ATP.
Mitochondria. What part of the sperm is the one that needs a lot of energy in order to swim? So all the mitochondria are in the tail and give energy for the sperm to swim. Is it clear? So when it gets to the egg, only the nuclear material is the one that gets in. But the egg has which other organelles? The mitochondria. So always the offspring is going to have nuclear material from mother because it has the mitochondria, and in case of plants, it has mitochondria and chloroplast. Is it clear?
Yes.
So is that clear?
Now the other type of mutations, the artificial. Well, artificial mutations are like caused by humans. For example, they inject genes to the fruits or vegetables. For example, we have the sweet potato. They inject some genes to make it sweeter, softer, and juicier. And like they also inject it to make them bigger or smaller, or the color.
Should I pass it or you could just fix it? Another?
Like, or explain the method that they use, because it's not like just injecting them. We're gonna explain that thing.
So should I pass?
Do you understand?
Inyectándole.